Ay, 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 ay. Oh, oh, oh. Bang. Nah, nah, nah.
Hey, yo, Kudo, you going brazen?
Every time I drink that water, I get in my feelings. Yeah, I just want that 720S, no ceiling. And I've been working hard, baby. Need a couple millions. Every time I drink that water, yeah, I get in my feelings. And I just want that 720S, no ceiling. And I've been working hard, baby. Need a couple million. Yeah, I've been working hard, baby. Need a couple million. And when I drink that water, baby, I get in my feelings. Yeah, I just want that 720S, no ceiling. And I've been working hard, baby. Need a couple million. Yeah, I've been working hard, baby. Need a couple million.
Wash my hands with alcohol, cause I don't want corona. Window shopping for these bitches, I don't really want them. My heart be solid as a rock, I used to be a stoner. That nigga ever catch me slipping, he gon' be a goner. Wish I can call Charles up, cause I can't see why. Money in my pocket, shit rip up my Levi's. When I was broken, couldn't afford it, rockin' felines. She say she a virgin, so I took that bitch to V-Live. She like a truck, when she break down, I'ma pick her up. These bitches calling me a squirrel, I just want a nut. I treat these hoes like cigarettes, I bought the bitch a butt. I swore the nigga was a barber, all these bitches cut. And I been drinking raw, with that man on me. And yes, I fucked your friend, I ain't saying sorry. Think my engine filled with horses when I pull up Rari. Better call up AutoZone, you can't get a part of me.
Every time I drink that water, I get in my feelings. Yeah, I just want that 720S, no ceiling. And I've been working hard, baby. Need a couple millions. Every time I drink that water, yeah, I get in my feelings. And I just want that 720S, no ceiling. And I've been working hard, baby. Need a couple million. Yeah, I've been working hard, baby. Need a couple million. And when I drink that water, baby, I get in my feelings. Yeah, I just want that 720S, no ceiling. And I've been working hard, baby. Need a couple million. Yeah, I've been working hard, baby. Need a couple million. She just want that coke piled up like a billion. Baby, I'm finna paint a picture. Go ahead and illustrate. See, I just want that lemon maroons on a dinner plate. Drop top 720S on the interstate. Anything you want, baby, go ahead and get it. We drippin' Alexander with that Louis, how we living. And all the Palms Angel on me, feel like I done died. Go ahead and twist so dapper Scotty, baby, let's get high. Hey, swear that Frank, let's turn my friend into my fucking enemy. Suicidal thoughts, kill that shit off with this Hennessy. And I ain't no Tesla, but I'm charging up my energy. And got my mama praying like.
I just wanted to show this real quick. I've seen a bunch of these videos where people are only able to get this one in and this one in on this grill, and I did end up cutting off the little bar or the little plastic piece that holds the Chevy emblem. I ended up cutting that off. That's why I'm taking the grill back off. But I just wanted to show that people are only able to get this one in and this one in, and they have a hard time with these ones lining up, which they don't really line up too much. But if you actually put them in there, turn them sideways a little bit, and just start screwing them in, they eventually will straighten themselves out and pull this grill towards it, and you'll be able to have all four. All four will be in and snug. So I just want to shoot this real quick. I'm actually at work. There you go. And it's raining, it's nasty out here, but kind of slow, so I'm going ahead and I went ahead and cut that piece off inside that grill. It's right here. Went ahead and cut that off, and it looks a lot better without it. It looks clean. I'm not going back to stock anytime soon or ever. So it looks a lot better without it in there. So you can see that one's in, that one's in. This one's in right here. This one's in. This one's in, and this one's in. So if you watch other videos of people installing this grill, and you can see how it looks, I took that bar out. You saw what it looked like earlier in the video when I had just put it in. You can clearly see that in there, but it's that piece of plastic is out of there, and it definitely looks a lot better without it. Because mine was white, and you could see clear as day in there. But yeah. Watch other videos and you'll see that they miss these two. They'll miss this one, they'll miss this one, they'll say it doesn't line up. But if you actually just put the screw in there and just start tightening it down, it'll line up on its own.